Let's create one more tutorial in Creo. In this video you'll learn to use the Revolve features to create a solid around an axis. So open the Creo and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and create this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create this profile. We will put the dimensions later, okay? So open the Creo and go to sketch and select the right plane and select line, click here in the midpoint, make this profile here. Okay, press ESC in the keyboard. We have some dimensions here. So this line has 8 millimeters of length, and this line here has 50 millimeters of length, and the angle between this line and this one is 60 degrees. So this line here, 8 millimeters. Select this line here, add the length, 50 millimeters. Move this line here a little bit. Select this line and this one. Hold the Ctrl in the keyboard to select the both. And the angle here is 60 degrees. And the distance between this line here and this line is 20 millimeters. And the distance between this line here and this one is 15 millimeters. So select this line, hold Ctrl in the keyboard, select this one, and here the distance is 20 millimeters. Move this a little bit, and the distance between this line and this one is 15 millimeters. Okay, and we have the angle between these two lines here. The angle here is 45 degrees to this side. So to this side here is 180 degrees minus 45. Okay, so select this line and this one and select angle here, 108 minus 45, and press OK. We made this profile, so finish the sketch. And here we need to revolve this. The revolve create a 3D shape by revolving sketch around a center line. And here we select this sketch, and now the center line will be the center line here. This line here, okay? And now the angle here, we need to remove this angle, so it will be 270 degrees. It is 360 minus 90 degrees, okay? So the axis is the center line here. The angle here, 360 minus 90 degrees. And here we will change the direction and press OK. So that's it. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.